Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix .NET 3.5 Windows 11 installation errors. Copy first text from description and paste it. Click download. Copy second text from description and paste it. Click download. Copy third text from description and paste it. Click download. Open File Explorer. Copy 3 files and paste it into C drive. Windows 11 CD in D drive. Open Windows search icon. Type CMD, right-click Run as administrator. Copy fourth text from description and paste it. In my case Windows 11 is D drive. Change to D. Copy fifth text from description and paste it. The source files could not found error displayed. Open File Explorer. Rename this file to add any character at the end of the file. Copy NetX3 ending with AMD64 and paste it into C drive. Copy the file name. Open Windows 11 CD drive. Open Sources folder. Paste the file name and search. Copy this file and paste it into C drive. Copy fifth text from description and paste it. Click search icon. Type Windows features. Click turn Windows features on or off. Check .NetFramework, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.